Extra, extra, read all about it. That's Midwest Flesh, my brother. In case you haven't checked out his channel, Midwest Flesh Urbex, go check him out. We're over here out exploring, and all of a sudden, we just noticed that Door Miller has been fenced off and condemned. That is incredible to see. Wow. We're down here in 17th. You can see the old store. I did a video of that store right there. And Door Miller is gone. Here's where the sign was. Look at this. It's all gated off. This looks crazy. Listen how quiet it is. Besides the helicopter. This old store right here. So I know a lot of people are going to see this from over here, and this is pretty incredible to see it like this. Helicopters and birds. So quiet, so eerie, so peaceful. The whole project and the whole neighborhood has been wiped out. But I'm not quite sure about the surrounding neighborhood over there, but it's pretty messed up. There's the old Hatcher Pavilion, the pool. As you can see, I have videos on that. That's a mess. Over here you have the convenience store. And as you can see the conditions of that, that's a mess. Pretty much wiped out over here. Nothing else to say about it. So here it is, the whole thing, from one fence to the next. Just gonna walk one more time past it and let you guys enjoy the video. Hey guys, we might as well explore these too. They're right there, the whole block's closed. It was always dangerous to explore because of this neighborhood right here, but...
Yeah, give me a stay over here real quick. I want to fly down this.
Do what?
Stay over here real quick. I want to fly down this.
All right. Well, I gotta walk down here. I'm in the middle of filming it. Flying the drone. That's Charlie Burgess. You'll probably see that Lost in Time. We posted to the Explore Northwest Indiana page. If you haven't subscribed to that, check that out. That's us. All the parking spaces. It don't seem like they were that bad, I guess. Maybe the outside maybe looks better than the inside. I've never been in one of these. What's up, brother?
What up? You won't let me in.
21st. I thought it was 19th or 17th, sorry. I do that a lot. They get mixed up. Think about this, man. It's pretty peaceful over here now, isn't it?
Yeah.
It is. I said it. Huh?
People been killed over here.
Yeah.
This was bad, bro.
Yeah, I can't believe it's all closed and fenced off.
Yeah, I just
Pretty
tattooed
incredible.
I tattooed a guy over there who grew up in here. And
You
he's
talked about this in our interview at the Lost Storm
like,
interview.
yeah, he's like, man, I can't believe it. They made us all move.
Wow. Let me finish filming I wanted to do fence to fence here, but
Click on Finder.
unbelievable. Well, that opens up, it makes it a lot more safer to explore the buildings across the street now. And Bernard Watson School is right around the corner. Hey, did you see the sign? Here it is. Dorie Miller Homes, right there. Dairy Housing Authority.
And I'm like, man, this guy everywhere. But I love you because, bro, you the real. You are the real, bro. Fuck, hey man,
Right.
fuck YouTube, man. This man is real. He in the hood. He in the hoods with the thugs,
right.
for real.
I bet.
And it's a man. He got a positive message.
That's right.
This man got a
I
positive
love my
message
city.
for
I
this.
love my people,
I
man.
swear
You
to
know?
God, he
Right.
lived for this city, man.
There it is.
Oh,
What you take?
That's what it's all
Bro.
about.
it'll never come off.
There you go.
I swear to
What are you
God.
awesome about, baby? I got you on here.
I swear to God, this will never come off, man. 'Cause I follow y'all
bless
show.
you.
And she was riding, she was like, man, what is them guys taking that picture of? I'm like,
Everything.
nope, I
investigating.
know them. Turn around.
Try to get it all.
I remember your face, and man, I love your show, bro.
Hey,
I
I
am
appreciate
subscribed, man. I am subscribed to this man's show, and he ain't even
There
know
it is.
But I love him.
This is why I do this. This is why I do
swear
this.
to God, man.
There it is.
Man, he do it for people like us,
That's
for
right.
real.
That's what we do.
Man, hey, stay blessed, bro.
Stay blessed,
Stay
my
blessed,
man.
bro.
All right.
Hey, man, I
Keep on
appreciate
watching,
you,
all
man.
right?
I ain't gonna never stop watching, bro, because
My
you
man.
doing God's work, bro.
There
God
it
bless
is.
you.
On the real.
God bless you.
All right,
You're
have a
my
good day.
Death, man.